Hello video team. I think the best way to show you what I wanted today was to make a video. So hopefully this will help you in doing what needs to be done for this respectfully fear video we're doing. I sent you in Gmail a file, and you should have seen this by now, and it's under respectfully fear. Now some of you have access the original document that we talked about this, and then we talked about what does it mean to be respectfully fear of God, and what are examples of that. We have mom, we have bosses here, we have earthquakes, and all of these characters. So what I'd like you to do is to choose one of those, and let's choose bosses here, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go to Google searches, and I'm going to look for an image about bosses, and I'll put angry, see if that works, and do image search. Okay, so I do an image search of this, and remember we're making a metaphor for how God can be needs to be respectfully feared. Okay, so it's a different. A lot of people think God is your friend, but sometimes we need to respect Him a little more. Maybe, and one of our examples was bosses. Now, since this is a metaphor, I would think this is a very bad metaphor right here. This guy yelling at you. This is a unjust boss. We want more of a just boss, not like, and especially we don't want images that are very composed. This lady doesn't look angry. She looks like she's pretending to be angry. Okay, so what I want you to do is kind of go through here, and is there an example of a boss that might be scary but maybe respectful? So like this one's not bad. It looks like a grandfather image, and he's kind of looking down on you, like same with this guy, although that's a famous actor, so I don't want to break our metaphor from I'm not sure what show that's for, but somebody might recognize it. So kind of go here. Don't find the first thing that you see, the most obvious answer to this, but maybe think about what would be a good example. Like that looks like a genuine emotion right there, but so that might be a good one. I'm going to go back to this one. This list seems pretty good. Okay, so what you do, click on that, get a larger image of it, and then I want you to right-click on that and copy image. Just copy image like that. Now, if you go back over to the thing that I shared with you, and you may have seen this, I also have respectful fear, and this is a presentation. So I click on that presentation, and this is a lot like a PowerPoint. And you see, and I already saved one of moms. Like here's a concerned mom, but yet a loving mom. So I thought that was a good metaphor. And what you need to do is just add a slide. Click add a slide, and you'll see a slide over here. And I'll just go ahead and click on that one, and maybe delete this. Just if you hit on the edges, make it blue, hit delete, that's gone. Then you right click and push paste. And when you do that, you should get your boss image on there. And then when we go to make and on Sunday, we can go through these and say, I like that boss, or I don't like that boss, and we can be very critical on the images we get. If everybody kind of chooses something, that'd be a nice activity to do on Sunday. So when I exit out of this, it should be saved. That's the cool thing about sharing things on documents. I click on that, and my two images are saved. So I hope that helps. I know it's a kind of short notice for this Sunday, but thanks a lot for listening.